Happy New Year and welcome to 2025, and also welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oluwaseun Fumi Adediran. You know that 2024 flew faster than we imagined. From January, February, before you know when, October, before you know December, the end of the year. Actually, I'm grateful for 2024. 2024 came with so many things and it was a great year. So 2024 was a year of learning. It was a year of trying new things. It was a year of creating different experiences. If you have been liking my video, if you have been watching my video, if you have been subscribing to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. Your shares, your like, your comments, I do not take them for granted. It kept me motivated all through 2024. And yes, to 2025, we're going to create more better experience. So last year, 2024, I took some steps outside my comfort zone. I started content creation. As in, can you imagine content creation? I'm this shy person that I don't like facing camera to make videos, but here I am making videos. So I started content creation. I started designing better experiences. You all know that I'm a UI UX designer, a product designer. So I got better at designing. I started learning new things in UI UX design, and also I started sharing my journey with you all. So I started vlogging, I started doing TikTok, like basically content creation, and I must say I'm really enjoying this. As in, it's fun because sharing your journey, talking to people, and just having people to talk to, people to share your knowledge with, it's quite interesting and enjoyable. I'm saying that 2025 is going to be about growth and enjoying the process. So you're going to see more of me on your screen. So whether it's designing better experiences, creating content, or figuring out a plan, why not enjoy the process while I can? So I know that everybody's shouting, new year, new me, but my goals this year are quite simple. Do more of what makes me happy and keep learning along the way. Make more UI UX design tutorials and also experiment crazy design ideas, because why not? Your turn. So what is that one cool thing you want to do in this year 2025? So you can drop it in the comment section, or you can think about it while we see how this year unfolds. Alright, that's enough rambling for today. So thank you all for staying true till this point. Thank you for watching this video. Your support, they count a lot. Thank you so much. Year is to 2025, a year filled with dream come true, a year filled with creativity, a year filled with consistency, emphasis on consistency. So I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new watcher, a new viewer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.